Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nettie, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing a reconstruction on this half wig. This is a pre-made half wig, kinky straight texture, and I'm going to be creating it into a wig with a closure. So this is my Signature Reconstruction service. I take wigs apart, put them back together. If your cap is no longer fitting, sometimes, the caps do stretch out over time. If your cap is like damaged with holes or anything like that, the hair is still good. And you don't want to, purchase a new wig. Just send in your old wig. I can take apart the wig and create it on a brand new cap, and it would be like a brand new wig. Also, if you have a unit that never fit you, say the unit was always too small or was too big, and you never really got any use out of it, and the hair is really good, you can also send that in, and I will take it and use your measurements that you give me to recreate the unit so that it fits properly. If you have old bundles laying around, you could also send those in as well. A lot of people have really good hair laying around that they use for like sew-ins. And if you're not doing sew-ins, or you just want to make some use of the hair, you can also send that in and I can create a unit for you. If you have a closure, you can send that with it. I don't do frontal units. I only make closure units. If you need a closure, you can also purchase it separately on my site. I do sell the closure separately. You can purchase that along with this service, and I can use that here to create a unit for you. So this is a pre-made unit, and I am just deconstructing it. So I'm using this little seam ripper, or I think that's what it's called, to take out the tracks. You need one of these especially if you're taking out tracks off of a pre-made wig. The tracks on the top were so close together, really stitched down really, really tight, and I needed that to get the hair out. So I'm just showing you those are the tracks there. You can see they have some shorter pieces at the end. I guess those are for like layers that were in the front of the wig. I will be cutting those pieces off just to make sure that I don't have short and long pieces mixed into the wig. So this is a 5x5 kinky straight closure. She did purchase this from me along with an extra bundle. So I'm going to try to save as much of the hair as I can from the pre-made wig. Add the bundle that she purchased from me to create a nice full wig. It is a long wig. Actually, probably she could have probably used another bundle, but I think the wig came out nice at the end. It actually had a really natural look. It wasn't too full, and it wasn't it had enough hair, just enough hair. So now I'm just going to sew down the closure, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with the pieces, because there is a lot of pieces from the pre-made wig that I cut off. And I'm just going to show you how I just stitch those together to sew them down onto the wig. So this is a 23-inch circumference. I'm using a large mesh ventilated cap. I didn't need to do any adjustments for the cap. The cap fit, exactly onto the head without any gaps or spaces. And yeah, I'm gonna jump back in and let you guys know what I'm doing. All right, so I'm just going through the pieces that I have. I did measure all of the pieces, so I made two piles. I have one with the longest hair, and then another pile with the shortest length. So I'm just going through them. I'm cutting off those short pieces on the end because I don't want to have those mixed in um, the wig. So I'm just taking those, cutting those off, making my piles, and then I'm going to start to put the pieces together. So with the shorter lengths, I grab the longest track I can find, and then I'm just attaching the smaller pieces to it to make a double track. So I'm kind of just measuring out the pieces to fit on this long track that I have and just connecting it. Okay, and now I have a nice double track that I can work with and sew down onto the ventilator cap. And I'm going to continue to do that with the rest of the hair. When I get to the longer tracks, I have more longer pieces. So I'm going to make like triple tracks with those just to make sure that I'm fitting all of this hair onto the cap along with adding the extra bundle. So now I have all of the hair together. Now I can construct the unit. That's all of the hair from the pre-made wig, and then this is the bundle that she purchased from me that I'm going to add to the wig as well. To add an elastic adjustable band to it. I did add some combs in there, added 2 combs in the back, and I'm going to add the adjustable band. And now the wig is finished. I'm going to take that plastic off, wash the hair, condition it, let it air dry, and then here I am styling it. So when you do purchase the closure from me to add on to this service, you want to add on the customizing service, which is the bleaching of the knots and the plucking. And I think it's a upcharge of like around $25. And if you want to send in your own closure that you purchased from somewhere else, there is an upcharge of $45 for me to customize the closure. something that I try so hard not to do is over bleach my knots. Um, that I normally don't do it. I used to do that in the past, and I've learned how not to do it. On this wig, I actually did. You can see that I did over bleach it a little bit by where the part is at, and I'm going to go in and fix that right now with some the what do you call this? I'm gonna have to look and see. I forgot what it's called. I think it's the Tresemme that I picked up. It's the spray on color, like to cover grays, and I have it in the color dark brown. All right, so now I'm finishing up the wig, straightening it out a little bit, adding some serum to give it some shine. And then I'm going to give it a little trim just to make sure everything is even, nice and flowy. And then that's going to be it. And this is how she turned out. She is absolutely gorgeous and ready to go home to her owner. And if you're looking to purchase this service, if you have any questions, you can always send me an email or chat with me directly from the website. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.